Okay, I got Josh here. He just covered his mailbox with transfer paper, and he's gonna turn this thing into a beautiful mailbox.
Are you recording me, Mr. Jones?
Yeah, because I want everybody to realize that you're freehanding this.
Alright. That bad ain't moving.
Yeah. These guys are using a cold knife to cut this glass out. They're finding out just what's involved with being a glass guy.
Hang on.
If you'll notice, Corey's got his earbud in. He's listening to Eye of the Tiger right now. He's training like Rocky was in Russia, picking up the.
Turn it down.
Turn it down. Turn your music down. Don't turn your music down.
Not
Okay.
music.
All right. Hang on.
The white one's released.
All right. The bottom one.
Yeah.
It may be doubled up with the urethane down there. Go ahead. There we go. Good job. All right, Josh, look at this. Is this amazing? The detail. Look, you can even see the inside of the bed he's drawing in there. Now he's getting ready to take a razor blade, and we're going to cut out everything. He's modeling after this truck right there. So he's going to cut out everything that's red, and we're going to paint that. Wish him luck. There he is. And we got old White Feather here. He ain't feeling too good today. Wow. This thing's coming together. How's it going, Josh?
Going good.
Good.
Going good. Speaker different from some company. That was just for participating.
How we coming here?
It's coming.
All right. Good. Now we here we go. Jaden, never mind. There he is. We've got everything cut, and now we're gonna start to pull this thing off of here. straighten it up. Good. All right. Dom here, we're going over this with the ladies. This is a pearl white. He's just got done shooting the last coat of the pearl on there. We're checking to make sure we got it covered good. And we're gonna let it flash off and we'll be clearing it. New job in the shop today. We're gonna be stripping that rust out there as best we can, repainting the roof. Look at it, look. He hammered and dollied that wheel well out. We were gonna have to replace that, not now. It looks like it's got the measles a little bit, or pimply, but you know, that looks good. We got a Lexus in here. See some damage here. The tail light, hopefully we'll be able to fasten that back up. We'll see. But I'll try and catch some footage when the guys are taking it off. We got these two here, have hammered and look at the enthusiasm on these faces. There we go. They got that dollied out nice. Again, looks like it's got the measles, but that's not gonna matter. Yep, that's good. All right. Well, they're getting base shot on here. How many coats are on here? Two. Oh yeah, it's looking good. All right, look at these two right here. They done got that Lexus bumper off. They've heated up. They heated up the big buckle that was in it. Now remember, I pushed on this little side marker light or turn signal. We're going to, it broke the tabs off of it, but we're going to be able to put it back in there. Film this because look. But he got his hair cut again, and look, he actually got some of the front of it cut this time. Look at that. Just got done. Little teeny waves, but way better than the one we did last year. This side looks great. Here's where we're at right now. This is so far the red's paint, the black is paint, and he has cut out. Wow, now he's going to paint silver for the bumpers and the grill. I'm telling you, Wyatt, and look, he got a haircut and actually got the bangs cut this time. I think I may have mentioned that earlier. I'm just so impressed with him, I had to show it again. He's got this, they put epoxy primer on this Honda bumper. Now he's taping it up. Hopefully we'll get her painted next time. Here's Lexi. Listen. She did the body work on that side. She's the one that I came over there. I showed you in another video how smooth she put the body work on, or the body filler on. Now, this side over here is good, just not as good as Lexi's. Isn't that right? Oh, you got it. Look at that. He did. We're so proud of it. too. How's it going? Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at the delight in his face. That is amazing. I think we're done as much as we can do to this thing. Turned out really nice. Cadillac, we're getting it ready. Lexi's taping that up so we don't scratch it sanding. Got Jared here, perfect. Corey's got all the sleeves made to go in here. That's all weld through primer. He's put on all the bare metal. We're going to be metal bonding this edge down here.